Tooltip is one of the easiest way to impress your audience with Power BI reports. The simple idea can provide incredible value to the report readers and it elevate your work to next level. It offers added context and insights when user hover over data points. So in this easy tutorial, we can learn how to set up these tooltips and how we can work it additionally. So you can see in this report means we have different categories. This is technology kind of category and it is showing the sum of sales means total sales in technology category. So similarly, we can see in furniture category what is the total sum of sales like this in other categories. So we have every time in every visual there in every data element there is some tooltip. So now let's see how we can customize a tooltip. So we just click on this new page and here we will define it as a we can see here canvas settings and here we can define the type as tooltip. So now you can see the size is reduced for the page and we can use n number of visuals whatever we want to show here as a tooltip. So what we can show, let's see what was there in our main page. So this was a bar chart basically. So here we can define some pie chart for this internally. So we have one pie chart here. So let's create this one. And here what we were showing sum of sales by category. So category again, if we see the data, so here category. So this one is category. Let's see where is our category. This one. So category again, this is the category here. Furniture, office supplies and technology. And one we have one subcategory as well and product. So subcategory we will define. So let's go to our report now. And for that category, we can use subcategory. So let's see, select that subcategory and go to sales. So we can see what is the subcategories, every category wise sales here. Similarly, when we are here, we just select it. We go to customization or formatting of this visual. We go to general here, tooltips. This is a type of report page. Okay. So here we can select the tooltip page that is page 1. We can rename this page 1 as well. Means this we can say TT underscore sales. So when we are here in our home page, we select it and then we go to formatting, general and here tooltip and we can select that page TT sales. So when we have selected now, you can see the tooltip is changed here. So inside this technology, there are multiple 4 subcategories and it is showing the total sales for those subcategories. Similarly for furniture as well and for office supplies as well. So like this, we can show this one as a detailed view. So similarly, we can see here as well means sum of sales by market. So let's understand this one as well. So where is market? This one is available here. So we have different markets here and we have different regions inside those market. So what we will do, we'll create one more this tooltip page. So just select it as go to canvas settings as we have previously done. So this one is tooltip here and we will drag some visuals here like this bar chart or column chart we can say. So here what we need to fill, that market was already there, so we can select as a region. So region on x-axis and region wise sales. So where is sales? This one sales we can keep it on y-axis. We can change use our different formatting options as well, so that I will not use much time here. So what we can do, we can use some title like test colors. We can keep it white as I generally do in more practices, and I keep it center. Similarly, you can do n number of formatting here for this page. So when we go to this one, we can select the name as well. This is for sales by region. TT sales by region. We go to which one? Tooltip here. So here we can use that one. So here we go to formatting options. We go to general tooltips. Here it is report page. So here we can select that page sales by region. So now when we hover it here, you can see the means type of tooltip is changed here. So this is the view of tooltip means how we can use it, how we can customize it. If you have any comments, you can just go to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru and keep the your comments in comment section. Thank you.